In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Hootsuite quickly and effectively. Whether you're new to this platform or need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step in a way that's easy to understand and simple to follow. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Hootsuite and hit Enter. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you'll be doing most of the work. Now that you're on the dashboard, your next step is to find and click the plus icon, or the Create button. You'll typically find this on the left side of the screen. This option allows you to craft a brand new post from scratch. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers working with a calendar view, you can head over to the Plans section and select the Post option. This feature can be particularly helpful if you're managing multiple posts and want to see them all laid out chronologically. Once you're ready to decide where your content will be heading, navigate to the Publish To menu. Here, you'll choose the specific social media accounts where you want your content to be published. This feature is extremely useful for managing multiple accounts in one place, ensuring consistency across all platforms. With the platform selected, it's time to craft your message. You'll find a text box under the Your Post section. This is where you type in your caption. Take some time to create a caption that's engaging and relevant to your audience. Along with text, feel free to enhance your post by adding links, tagging other users with mentions using the @ symbol, or injecting some personality with emojis. These elements can make your post more engaging and clickable. Next, let's move on to adding visuals. Click the Add Media icon to upload images or videos. You can either choose files directly from your computer or select from your pre-existing media library within Hootsuite. Including eye-catching visuals can significantly improve your post's engagement, making it more attractive to your audience. Before finalizing your post, take a moment to review everything in the preview window. This window gives you a chance to see how your post will look once published, allowing you to make any last-minute tweaks or corrections. Finally, you have some options for deployment. If you're ready for your post to go live instantly, select Post Now. If you want to come back to it later, you can choose to Save as Draft. For those of you working with a future date in mind, the Schedule option will be your best friend, allowing you to set a specific time and date for publication. And that's it. You've successfully posted on Hootsuite. Hopefully, these steps make the process smooth and efficient for you. Happy posting, and see you next time.